Get acquainted with the 2024 Toyota Tundra. Get the job done in comfort and style in this tough-built Tundra. Its smooth ride, stable towing and handling, refined interior, and impressive standard safety and infotainment features give you the strength and security you need to make every project a win. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, head-up display, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moon roof, premium sound system. Feel confident about the project in this capable Tundra. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.